Could be taller. Hi friends, my name is Alex Ferguson, and behind me is Red Dwarf the Mini. I'm filming this video because my dad and I are swapping out the 998 A-Series engine for the D16 VTEC engine. We got the kit from Minitech out in Royston, Georgia, superfastminis.com, and so which will help with the swap. And the goal is to have this swap done ready for Classic Minis United 60 here in the United States. Biggest Classic Mini meet in the East Coast over here. That is about a month away from now, when I'm filming this. And we started this project about a month ago, so we've had about 2 months to get everything going. I have been filming every day we've worked on it. Now, since I've started editing all the footage I've been filming of us doing it, realized I'm not very good at keeping up with filming everything that's going on. Like when you're working on the car, you're working on it and then you go, oh, didn't film it. So wanted to pre-note that. The reason I'm doing this is because A, to log for myself, to remember the time of building it, B, to send videos to my friends who are interested in getting updates on the build, and C, for anyone else to enjoy for entertainment purposes. What triggered the swap was back when I was first looking at minis to buy. I was consulting a friend of mine who had a Mini here in the States for a while, and first of all, he told me not to buy a Mini. It was a horrible idea. I didn't listen to him, as you can see. But he also told me about Minitech out in Royston, Georgia, who are pretty much the biggest VTEC swap shop supplier for the world. The real push to do it, though, was our experience at CMU 59 last year, where we found out that we were the slowest Mini of all, like, 80-odd Minis that were there. We're the slowest of the slowest group.
Out on the open road, not a Mini to be seen. They've all disappeared.
Because we're too slow.
Because we're going too slow.
Also, the car broke down halfway through our first drive, about in the middle of the mountains somewhere, and it took about 4 hours to get the rescue car up to save us. So the idea is to make Red Dwarf fast, reliable, and safe, ready for CMU 60. So we have a very short time constraint, and we're doing our very best to get it all done. At this point, I have no idea if we get it done or not in time. On tenterhooks, just like you guys, so we will find out soon enough. So I will do my best to be releasing regularly to keep everyone updated and keep them short and sweet and fun to watch. So stay tuned and enjoy the content that's coming up. Yeah. Thank you.